How is Kyiv coping with the scale of Russia's biggest missile attack to date? The city faced unprecedented destruction, but its resilience and response reveal surprising strength you need to hear. On October 10, 2022, Kyiv endured Russia's largest missile attack since the war began. More than 80 missiles struck the capital in just a few hours. The targets included power plants, water supplies, and residential buildings, aiming to cripple the city's ability to function. This scale was unprecedented and caused blackouts affecting millions. Despite the destruction, emergency services mobilized quickly to minimize casualties and restore essential services. Kyiv's citizens responded with extraordinary solidarity. Many moved to bomb shelters and helped neighbors in need. Social media channels buzzed with updates on missile paths and safe zones, helping people avoid danger. Volunteer groups coordinated food, medical aid, and repairs. This grassroots support was essential in keeping the city functioning amid chaos and fear. The Ukrainian government acted swiftly, deploying emergency crews to repair damaged infrastructure within hours. Air defense systems intercepted a significant number of incoming missiles, demonstrating improved military capabilities since earlier attacks. Coordination between civilian and military agencies was key to managing the crisis effectively, showing how Kyiv adapted to large-scale attacks over time. The psychological toll was immense, with many facing loss and fear. However, community resilience shone through. Mental health professionals increased support efforts, offering counseling and stress relief programs. Public messaging emphasized solidarity and hope, helping people endure the prolonged conflict. This mental toughness is a hidden strength that sustains Kyiv's spirit. Kyiv's response to Russia's largest missile attack reveals a story of resilience, quick adaptation, and community strength. The city not only survived, but demonstrated its ability to unite under pressure. If you want to keep learning surprising answers to questions you didn't know you had, hit subscribe and join us daily.